Did you know that your body might be sending you subtle signals that could hold the key to uncovering diabetes symptoms? What if you could decode these messages to take charge of your health in a surprising and delicious way? Well, today, we're about to unveil a flavorful journey that could change the way you look at your diabetes management. Are you ready to discover the 12 surprising superfoods that might just be the key to unlocking a healthier you? Hey there, health enthusiast. Welcome to Do Remedy, Do Cure, where we're dedicated to helping you lead a vibrant and thriving life. And just a quick disclaimer, all information we share here is for educational purposes only. It is in no way meant to be a substitute for medical advice. It's always best to seek counsel from a healthcare professional regarding all matters concerning your health. Today, we're probing into a topic that affects millions worldwide, diabetes mellitus. It's not just about managing diabetes symptoms. It's about understanding the power of foods we eat to potentially reverse those symptoms. Now, before we get started, let's ask ourselves, what if a handful of everyday foods could hold the secret to better blood sugar control? Join us as we embark on a journey of discovery, exploring 12 surprising superfoods that might just be your new allies in the fight against diabetes. Remember, our goal is to break down complex information into bite-sized pieces, making it easy for everyone to grasp the potential benefits of these superfoods. So grab your notepads, get ready to be inspired, and let's dive into a world where health meets deliciousness. Diabetes mellitus, frequently alluded to as just diabetes, is a complex yet common condition that influences how the body processes glucose, the primary wellspring of energy. Envision glucose as fuel for your body's engine, and insulin as the key that opens the cells to give glucose access. In type 1 diabetes, the body doesn't deliver sufficient insulin, while in type 2 diabetes, the body becomes resistant to the insulin it produces. This disturbance can prompt raised glucose levels, which after some time can bring about a scope of health challenges. Now let's talk about the subtle signals your body might be sending you. Diabetes has a way of raising a quiet but significant alarm. Have you noticed an unquenchable thirst that just doesn't seem to go away? Or perhaps you find yourself making frequent trips to the restroom, even in the middle of the night. These could be early signs of diabetes. Unexplained weight reduction, weariness, obscured vision, and slow mending wounds are a few different signs that your body may be utilizing to get your attention. The fascinating thing is that your body is always communicating with you, giving you clues about its well-being. Recognizing these signals and acting on them can make a world of difference. By being vigilant about these symptoms, you're not just gaining insights into your health, you're potentially taking a proactive step towards a healthier and more vibrant life. So keep an eye out on these subtle clues, and remember, understanding your body's language can be the first step in your journey towards effective diabetes management. Now that we've explored the language your body uses to communicate potential diabetes symptoms, let's shift our focus to the dynamic world of superfoods. You see, what you put on your plate can be a powerful tool in managing diabetes effectively. Think of it as giving your body the best possible ingredients to thrive, like fueling a high-performance machine. So what exactly makes a superfood super for diabetes management? These superfoods boast characteristics that can have a beneficial outcome on your glucose levels. Low glycemic index food varieties, for example, discharge glucose into the bloodstream at a slower pace, blocking those sudden spikes. High fiber content aids in controlling digestion and encourages a gradual rise in blood sugar levels rather than an abrupt change. Additionally, supporting your body's resilience and general well-being are antioxidants and essential nutrients. Imagine your body as a finely tuned orchestra, with each superfood playing a unique instrument to create harmonious blood sugar levels. These foods aren't just about taste, they're about nourishing your body from the inside out, and potentially reversing diabetes symptoms in a natural and delicious way. In the upcoming section, we're going to unveil the 12 surprising superfoods that could become your allies in this journey. From berries bursting with antioxidants to leafy greens packed with nutrients, get ready to discover a palette of flavors that can rewrite your health story. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the world of these diabetes-fighting superfoods. Are you excited? I know I am. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Our first diabetes-bursting superheroes is berries. These vibrant little powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. Not only are they low on the glycemic index, but they also add a burst of natural sweetness to your meals. Berries may even improve your body's reaction to insulin, making them a delightful addition to your diabetes-friendly arsenal. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Get ready to embrace the leafy green revolution. Packed with fiber, minerals, and vitamins, these greens can help keep your blood sugar levels in check. They're like nature's multivitamin, offering you an array of nutrients that support your holistic health while backing steady energy release. Cinnamon. Adding a dash of cinnamon to your meals isn't just a flavor enhancer, it could also offer potential assistance for diabetes management. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels after meal. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Quinoa. Say hello to the protein-packed grain that's gaining popularity. Quinoa. With its low glycemic index and impressive protein content, quinoa can help stabilize blood sugar levels while providing a satisfying, nutrient-rich addition to your meals. Chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are a great source of fiber and healthy fats. They work wonders in slowing down the ingestion of carbohydrates, which can help prevent blood sugar spikes. Plus, their gel-like consistency can keep you feeling full and satisfied. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, oh my! These crunchy delights aren't just delicious snacks, they're also packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. The combination of nutrients and nuts can help slow down the absorption of glucose, making them a smart choice for diabetes management. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, black beans. Beans are a plant-based protein powerhouse that can help minimize blood sugar levels due to their high fiber content. They also provide vital nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. Sweet potatoes. Swap your regular potatoes for the delectable goodness of sweet potatoes. They have a lower glycemic index and are rich in fiber and vitamins, making them a satisfying and nutritious option for those looking to manage diabetes. Avocado. Avocado's creamy texture isn't just a treat for your taste buds. It also contains healthy monounsaturated fats that can advance insulin sensitivity. Including avocados in your diet can be a tasty way to support your diabetes management journey. Greek yogurt. Creamy and packed with protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote a healthy gut. It's a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed on its own or as part of a delicious meal. Broccoli. This vibrant vegetable is a diabetes-friendly dynamo, loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. It may even have anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic addition to your plate. Garlic. This aromatic ingredient isn't just for flavor. Some research suggests that garlic might improve insulin sensitivity and support blood sugar control. A little touch of garlic can go a long way in enhancing both taste and health benefits. So there you have it, 12 remarkable superfoods that could potentially be your allies in reversing diabetes symptoms. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, and embracing these superfoods is a step towards a healthier you. In the next section, we'll dive into practical tips for seamlessly incorporating these foods into your daily routine. So stick around and let's make diabetes-friendly eating an exciting and enjoyable journey. Now that you're armed with a treasure trove of diabetes-bursting superfoods, let's talk about how to effortlessly weave them into your meals. Here are some simple and effective ways to make these superfoods a delightful part of your daily routine. Smoothie sensations. Blend berries, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and leafy greens for a diabetes-friendly smoothie that's bursting with flavor and nutrients. Colorful salads. Create vibrant salads using leafy greens, colorful veggies, beans, and sprinkle in nuts and seeds for added crunch. Roasted veggie delights. Toss sweet potatoes with broccoli and other veggies with a drizzle of olive oil and roast them for a tasty and nutritious side dish. Power-packed breakfasts. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon to your oatmeal, chia pudding, or whole grain cereal for a diabetes-friendly morning boost. Savory creations. Incorporate beans and lentils into soups, stews, and chili for a hearty and satisfying meal. Remember, the key is variety and balance. Mix and match these superfoods to create meals that not only taste amazing, but also contribute to your overall well-being. And don't forget to savor the journey. Healthy eating can be both delicious and exciting. So there you have it, a journey through the world of diabetes symptoms, superfoods, and the potential they hold for managing and reversing those symptoms. By paying attention to the signals your body sends and making mindful choices, you're taking proactive steps toward a healthier and more vibrant life. The path to better health isn't about drastic changes. It's about making sustainable choices that align with your goals. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe for more informative content that empowers you to live your best life. With these 12 surprising superfoods by your side, you're equipped with a palette of options that can contribute to your diabetes management journey.